What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and sometimes we get some funny ones. This might seem like just a corner toothbrush holder, but it's actually a really cool organization device that will help you reorganize your home, your tech, and potentially your bathroom, actually. And this thing can hold a lot of stuff. Told you. So before we get started, if you're watching this video, chances are you're not subscribed, because 99% of you are not subscribed, and that's a pretty bad number. So if you like this one, be sure to click on that sub or thanks button below. So, opening up the box, what do we have here? So, let's go ahead and get rid of all this plastic wrap here and take a look at what's inside. Now, this is kind of an interesting wrap setup. I'm not sure if this is actually a required piece of it or they just have some extra silver wrap or something, but that's an interesting way to package this. So we've got the rods to connect everything. Let me set those aside. We have the connection piece here. Even looks like a little heart. So why they included this type of plastic, I don't know, but it's kind of cool. Alright, so installation is super easy. You just grab one of these. Doesn't really matter which one, I believe. And you place these rods into the 4 spots. So let me go and place these here. And then all we gotta do is place those rods into the bottom of the other one. So if you were to buy multiple of these, I think you could extend it as much as you want. But they provide this to give you a few other options of what you can have in there. So let's go ahead and plug that in here. And just like that, super easy to install, we have a corner organization system. This is a 2-tier organization system. I'll put a link to that in the description below. It's going to be great for our restroom, actually. We're going to put all our little devices and, you know, hair care products and all that stuff into this, and should make things a lot nicer. But yeah, definitely check them out in the description below, and hope you have a good one. Peace.
How did I fuck up the continuity?
Dude with the short fuse for ignorant minds. You can learn a thing or two about a new device. Unboxing kudos, we rock that pseudo administrative elevator command. We build it up or break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech, the architect. MikeTheTech, yeah. MikeTheTech, the architect.